It's about 8:30 at night and I found a spot to stealth car camp here in Savannah. Check it out here. So this is a fairly new development, just a side street. There's still construction going on over here. So this is where I am going to stealth car camp tonight. Sorry, it's a little bit dark in here. I'm going to try to be quiet because I can hear people walking around the streets, and if I can hear them, they can probably hear me. But what I wanted to do tonight was just kind of reach out of my comfort zone. My car camping experience for the last 2-ish years has really been, you know, stealth car camping at like a Cracker Barrel, Walmarts, rest stops, park and rides, and then just regular car camping at campgrounds. But I want to kind of go out of my comfort zone. So today or tonight, what I did was I found a spot on freeroam.app that is looks very safe. It has a few different reviews. So I came through here, I drove by here during the daytime. It looks safe. There's a little bit of nightlife going on. So it's about 8:30. And, you know, I'm hearing a little bit of like the nightlife crowd, but it's not too wild. So like I said, it's 8:30 here. It's still early. If I am comfortable enough to fall asleep, I'll stay here tonight. If my gut or anything tells me that something might be a little bit off, I'm going to go ahead and go to my plan B, which of course is, guess what it is? Cracker Barrel. That is my comfort spot. But yeah, so far so good. It does seem like there are a few other car campers. I can't tell 100% for sure. So that's a good thing. It means that they're staying stealthy. So I don't want to put on more of my lights. So I'm sorry you guys can't see me too well, but you know, I want to make sure that none of my light is bleeding through so people don't realize I'm going to be sleeping in here tonight. I'm pretty tightly nestled between an SUV and a pickup truck. So I showed you the front of where I am. Let me show you the back of where I am. So here we go. As you can see, I'm pretty snugly tight behind or in front of this pickup truck. All right, I don't know if y'all can see me too well, but it's about 10:30, so I've been here for about 2.5 hours, and I'm not liking it. So I'm seeing random people walking around. I know there's like a river walk situation, but you know, there's kind of like nightlife going on, and I'm seeing people walk around still at the river walk area, and I'm just not comfortable with people walking around in the area where I'm trying to sleep. And you know, it's totally on me because this is like, you know, it's a residential / like newer development / like nightlife type of area. So I'm going to pack it up and I'm going to head over to Cracker Barrel because I'm tired and I need a good night's rest, and I know I'm not going to get a good night's rest here. So I'm going to take off my the remainder of my window curtains here, and I'm gonna go ahead and exit out of this spot. I'm gonna leave my back window curtains up, just so I don't have to redo that when I get to Cracker Barrel. Ugh. All right, man. This kind of sucks because I really wanted to test out stealth camping tonight. Like I said, I just really want to expand my comfort zone. But at the same time, I don't want to do it with like at the cost of getting actual good sleep. Pretty tight spot there. They have like a bike rack on the back of their SUV. See? There's a lot of other vehicles here just kind of parked. Like I said, whether they're car camping or not 100% sure. I don't know. When it's a nightlife area, you know, there's alcohol involved, and sometimes people do dumb things when alcohol is involved. So I am just going to keep it moving to Cracker Barrel. Yeah, I'll see y'all when I get to Cracker Barrel. I'm tired, y'all. Good morning. It is 7:22. Let's see. Slept pretty good last night. At the Cracker Barrel. Slept really good. So now I'm about to get some coffee going and get the day started. Made my first cup of coffee. I'm about to head over to my daughter's dorm, pick her up, and we'll have some breakfast together. But I needed my first cup of coffee before driving. Yeah, I don't know if the local police meet up here or something on Sunday mornings, because there's a bunch of them over there. My goodness. But yeah. This is the view from the Cracker Barrel.